Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Google Meet subscription. Google Meet is a fantastic platform for video conferencing, but did you know that you can enhance your experience with a subscription? So whether you need extended meeting durations or additional features, today I'll walk you through how to purchase a Google Meet subscription and unlock more powerful tools for your meeting. Before you buy, it's important to know what features come with a subscription plan. Google Meet is included in several Google Workspace plans. So here's a quick overview of what you get. First, Google Meet free version. Meetings up to 60 minutes for group calls, up to 100 participants. Limited features like screen sharing, chat, and meeting controls available only for paid plans. All right. Google Meet with Google Workspace. Of course, for Google Meet free version, you can of course screen share and you can chat. Yes, you can, but you cannot. You don't have access to the inbuilt whiteboard feature. Oh, that one has actually been removed. There are a couple of things that you're gonna have access to, like the phone dialing thingy. You have to be a Google Workspace user. So for Google Meets with Google Workspace subscription, this is for business and education plans. No time limits for group calls. Sweet. It has features like recording meetings, live streaming, and yes, you can record meetings for the Google free version. But for Workspace, yes, you can record meetings. You can live stream, breakout rooms, higher participants limits, such as up to 250 participants in the call, customizable meeting settings for admins. So to go to Google Workspace website, open your browser and go to the official Google Workspace website. And Google Meet premium features are part of the Google Workspace subscription, so you will need to select the Google Workspace plan that includes Google Meet. Also, right in Google Meet itself, like if you don't want to go to the Google Workspace website, you're going to see this thing that says this banner, this advert that says try premium Google Meet features. Now go ahead and click on start trial, and it should take you to this window where you can now see it. So try Google One premium plan at no charge. So see all of the features. I can select start trial, and once you click on start trial, just go ahead and follow up with all the processes to start a trial. That's to subscribe to this. Another option, let's go to the workspace, https workspace.google.com. Let's punch this. So here you are. So you can now go ahead and click on get started, and once you click on get started, start try out, no cost today. Fine. So you can click on get started. Click on get started and follow the prompts to upgrade. To sign up for Google Workspace, so let's get it started. Your business name, number of employees, just follow through the prompts and make your payments once it's time for you to make your payments. So also click on start plans. It'll just take you to the next one, so you can review the available plans like business starter, and which includes meets with up to 100 participants, 30 gig cloud storage, and other basic tools. You have business standard, which includes Meetup with 150 participants, 2 terabyte cloud storage, and additional collaboration tools. You have Business Plus, which includes Meetup to 250 participants, enhanced security features, and more storage. You have Enterprise, which includes Meetup to 500 participants, unlimited cloud storage, and advanced admin tools. So after reviewing the features, just go ahead and click on buy now next to the plan that best fits your needs, and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you're not logged in, make sure to use a Google account. You want to link to your Google Meet subscription, and once you've selected your plan, you'll be asked to enter billing information, provide your credit card details, or choose a payment method. Confirm your billing cycle. Google Workspace offers monthly and annual subscription options. Choose the one that works best for your needs. After purchasing, you'll be guided through setting up your Google Workspace account. This includes adding your business name, setting up email addresses, and configuring other features like calendars and drive storage. Once set up, you have full access to Google Meet's premium features. That's how it works. So now that your subscription is active, you can start scheduling meetings with extended durations and up to 250 participants You will have access to additional features such as recording meetings, breakout rooms, and live streaming. Of course, you can record meetings and chat using the free version. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search. Don't forget that once you head over to Google Workspace, go ahead and click on pricing, and once you click on pricing, you can now choose any of these options. And once you choose on any, go ahead and click on start trial and follow the prompts to purchase.